So the first thing I want to think about is writing it as itself twice. So 2x plus 9 times 2x plus 9. Then we think about distributing. So 2x times 2x. 2x times 9. 9 times 2x. And 9 times 9. Then we combine like terms to get 4x squared plus 36x plus 81. Okay, good job. All right, last but not least, for the last two examples, we're gonna take a binomial times a trinomial. Okay. So I have x plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 7. Now again, just like we did on the front side, all that means is you're multiplying more terms. So I'm going to take the x, I'm going to multiply it to every term of the second quantity. So x times x squared gives me x cubed. X times negative 3x is negative 3x squared. And x times 7 would be positive 7x. Then I go back and I distribute the 3. 3 times x squared, 3 times negative 3x, 3 times positive 7. So 3 times x squared be positive 3x squared. 3 times negative 3x is negative 9x. And 3 times 7 is positive 21. Then I need to combine like terms and put it in the proper order. So the highest exponent would be x cubed. Then I have x squared and x squared. Well, what happens in this problem is negative 3x squared and positive 3x squared cancel. So then I move on to x, and I have 7x and negative 9x. So negative 2x. And then last but not least, plus 21. Okay, let's try the next one then. Now sometimes you'll see it where it's a binomial times a trinomial. In this example, it might throw you off by putting the trinomial first. So quantity x squared plus 5 minus 9x times 6 minus x. And as you can tell, they're also kind of out of order. So it doesn't affect how we multiply, it just affects how we write our final answer. Okay. So I'm going to pause for dramatic effect again for you to do number 13, and I will explain it in about a minute. First thing I'm going to do is distribute my x squared to 6 and negative x. So I have 6x squared minus x cubed. Then I have 5 times 6 and 5 times negative x. So plus 30 minus 5x. This one kind of looks weird with the arrows, but negative 9x times 6 and x gives me negative 54x, and positive 9x squared. And then I combine like terms, starting with the highest degree, which would be cubed, so negative x cubed. Then I have 6x squared and 9x squared to give me positive 15x squared. And then I have negative 5x and negative 54x to get negative 59x. And then last but not least, plus 30. Okay, and that is the end of the multiplying polynomial notes. Get your homework, and good luck.